Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a trade recap today on AMC. Yesterday I looked at a webinar from one of my mentors in Be Able Traders. That's a trading community I'm part of. You could check them out on YouTube. You could also check them out at beabletraders.com. And while I was looking at the webinar, Tor was explaining strategies for trading these Camarilla pivots, right? So yesterday, not to go into it too much because you gotta come join the community to get all the good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I'm a give away a little bit, right? So seeing that we had this tight range here between the Camarillas, this is the extremes, the S4 and the R4, right? So since we had this tight kind of a range bound kind of a setup, like it's showing you that it's probably gonna be, it's a tight range, right? So it's easy for it to break out of this range because you see we're actually let's see, where would we open? We opened yesterday. That was what? That's R3. Yeah. So we opened yesterday basically above R3, right? So that's how we got that breakout above R4, and we held that value up there around 58, right? So today we didn't open above R3, right? You see R3 is all the way up here, right? So we opened basically, let's see. We opened kind of below, above S1, right? S1 is right here, R1 is right here. So we kind of open between R1 and S1, right? So then we started pushing up. Let me make this a little bigger. Right, so today we're not really looking for a breakout per se, you know what I'm saying? Oh, let me just get this together. Right. So today we're not really looking for a breakout of R4. We're looking to get to R4 and probably have like a day like this. So you see how it's just basically revisiting value, right? We're back at this value area here, you know. You see all this area here where we had this kind of consolidation or this flag, and we kind of just held this value, and then we pushed up from this R1, right? So the stock is strong, the trend is up, but right now, seeing where the Camarilla pivot is, right, this R4 here, this is basically gonna be your target, right? Because we're not expecting price to break out today. What you'd probably get tomorrow is with a much bigger range, seeing that we had kind of a tight range as well today. You'd have a bigger Camarilla range of S4 being, you know, probably up here, showing that we're looking to go up, and the R4 for tomorrow will be, you know, further up, you know, like all around maybe in the 70s, something like that. So it'll be showing the trend upwards. But today is kind of like an inside day. So what I did was kind of risky though, right? Because at this breakup here, I took the breakout of this this level here, going towards R4, right? So I'm taking the breakout here to go towards R4, and I think this was my first entry, right? So let me see, let me make that bigger. Right, so I started to take the breakout, but it didn't work out, right? But seeing that the stock was strong, I added to my position as it pulled back, right? Now I don't recommend this because you're supposed to be adding to your position. It's better to add when price is in momentum, so you catch the momentum going, because this is really it's kind of like I forgot what they call it. It's like it's compounding your position. So it's like you averaging your position up, well, kind of down, you averaging down. So the more I take positions coming down, it averages it out to be like about like around here. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, as we got to this other candle right here, as we went up, I took some partials, right? We came back down, I added, and this is where I kind of got in trouble, right? So I was trying to catch this from here, 62 back to 64, right? So as you can see, it kind of chopped me up a little bit. It went back and forth with this candle a little bit, and as we did that with this candle, I was like, you know what, seeing that we came back down to this spot right here, I was just all out, you know what I'm saying? Because, and it was a good decision too, because we just started to kind of sell off from here. Because the thing is, the risky part of this trade is that I know it's not gonna break out 4. We already getting 2 wick rejections right here, right? Let me go down to the 5 minute. Right. Yeah, so we already getting these wick rejections, we getting these big candles coming back down, right? This was the warning signs right here. You see this stuff right here? This was the warning signs. This could have just continued. So this wasn't really a good managed trade. It was a risky trade, but I took the risk because of the momentum and all the volume. We're looking at 9.11 million shares in 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? That shit is crazy. So I took the risk just because of the momentum, you know. But this right here, this play right here, that was risky. That was a risky ad right there. But anyway, y'all, I came out on top, you know what I'm saying? 5.5 hour on the day. So it was a really good day. Nice big P&L day. So I'm happy with it, man. I'm probably not gonna trade like that again, you know what I mean? You know, we always say stuff like that, but we break rules, you know, but this worked out. But in reality, this is the kind of stuff that will end up eating money out of your account. Because this didn't have to go my way to go up here. This could have broke VWAP and just came right back down to where it is here. It didn't have to cruise down like this. It could have come down from right here, you know what I'm saying? And that would have been me right there, you know what I mean, with a loss. So y'all, I mean, I'm not saying don't trade like me, you know what I'm saying, because I'm trying to show y'all what to do, but I'm also showing you when I make mistakes, so you can, you know, be aware of the mistakes that you could possibly make, because I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, we're gonna make little mistakes, you know what I'm saying? But y'all trade safe and stay blessed, man. Alright, later.